enter in your house now. We are arrived in the moment in which we can be together for this special program, but we are going to consider it as a teaching. So it's a teaching number 23, but a special program. So of course it's needed that it is considered as a teaching. It is need for people to listen to it throughout the world. So you can follow on in French on YouTube, YAHOSHUAH TV Français. You can also listen in English in YAHOSHUAH TV, YAHVAH YAHOSHUAH TV. So that is the English channel. So for Chinese is YAHVAH YAHOSHUAH TV Chinese, and for Malagasy language it's YAHVAH YAHOSHUAH TV Malagasy. So now you can watch and follow the emission with that. So it's a special program that is our emission, and it's considered as a teaching number 23. So it's the message of Yahushua Eliyahu enters in our house. So I'm going to answer all of your question, which okay, show the number on the screen immediately. So we're going to you can send the question via SMS. We are going to make it as SMS to avoid line cutting. So you from abroad, you can send SMS. So all the SMS will be answered. Okay. +2613286666398. +2613286666398. So that is the number for you who are following on the radio. You may not see the third number, so I've mentioned +2613286666398. So the question as a title is, can you still sin if you are a believers? Who have taught that? So that is our title for our emission today. So that is the title. So who told you if you are believers and you follow that Son of God, that means that you can sin? Because that is how people live and that is what they follow. We can sin because when that Son of God died, he carried all the sins and he forgives all the sins when he was nailed on the cross, and that means that all humans can sin. So that is all humans around the world explains, but that is all Jesus followers. They all humans can sin, and they who can sin, the reason is because the Son of God, according to what they said, he has carried all the sinners. That is a very dumb God. Even the president is still intelligent, because that means that it's a God who sent people to do bad things. It's a dumb God. The words of Eli is so direct. It's a dumb God. It's not a creator. He hasn't created. It's not the Son of God, and he was nailed on the cross. I am talking about Jesus and Jesus. And you may say, you're so strict, you're so mean. It's time to destroy that. Elia is going to destroy that. My words is being strict and mean. It's not easy that he has thrown people to hell for too much years, but it's about it's up to you if you want to accept to be thrown to hell. But my turn is to explain to you, stop being thrown to hell by them, and don't say you were being late. No, there is no one who is late, but it's now a perfect time. That is the truth. Why do I say that? Because the president, even the president, still gives police officers and gendarmes to avoid thief or some crimes, and they send all bad people to jail. So that means the president is more intelligent than your God, and it's a God who throw people to hell because he sent people to do bad things. Like, it's okay for you to do bad things, but you can just repent on Sunday and Saturday. Just repeat it and you can repent on Saturday and Sunday. The words of Elia is direct. Even The president is more intelligent. Malagasy president, all presidents in your country, in America, it's your president who is more intelligent than your Jesus. In France, his president still has intelligent rather than more than your God. So that means that your president is more intelligent than your God. President and your prime minister are still more intelligent than your God. But don't answer in that. Be conscious. Yeah, before your message, I am speaking beforehand. That is kind of surprising. How could that be possible that you are following God and as His creator, that means that if your God, if that God is your creator, you're His children. So if God is creator, how can He send His children to go doing bad things or household, children or household? But here is the words of God. He never accept their household doing bad things, like parents who correct children. Like, okay, you can do something bad, and after you can repent in me. That is the same thing. You can steal, and after you can come to me and repent, and I will forgive you. And tomorrow you can go committing adultery, and after you can repent to me. That is the same picture. But that is not a God for me, but that is devil who are doing that kind of thing. There is no God who has said that. But here is the true God's words, but that is an introduction and also a words of consciousness for you to tell you that the God that you have prayed from the beginning is devil. It's a colleague of the devils. And that is a teaching number 19. The reason is the true God has said this thing. Never sin anymore. That is the real order of the true God, saying never sin anymore. So if that true God has given that declaration, never sin anymore, so how can someone tell to you, you can sin again because the Son of God has carried out your sins and you can just repent after? But that is what happens if you listen to the voice of devils. Let's take a look at the women who were caught committing adultery. Yes, when she was caught committing adultery, people carried her to YAHOSHUAH, and the true Son of God said, "If you haven't sinned, launch the stone to her against her." But no one launched the stone against her. And YAHOSHUAH said to the woman, "Where are the people